Kids are cleaning their rooms. Layton has made her bed, and now she is emptying out all of her clothes drawers. And so you're gonna fold and put all this stuff away?
Yes.
Oh, here, sweatpants. Let's keep those out. Remember where those are, so you have those. These are nice warm pants.
Yeah.
Our house is currently, see, I don't know if you can see the temperature. No, it's too dark. It's like 57 degrees in here. Austin, let's check out your room. Let's see. He did an amazing job. He had tons of stuffies and different things behind his chair here. He got rid of all of that. Wow, you are the best.
I can't find Ashlyn anywhere.
You can't find Ashlyn?
Oh, yeah. Where is she?
She's probably underneath all those clothes.
Oh my.
There she is. She's saying, help me! Get out!
She's like,
Help me out!
Was this all hiding?
No, that's all. Layton emptied everything from her drawers.
Why?
She's gonna reorganize them all, yes.
Austin, don't jump in it.
It's not a leaf pile. All right, get working, girl. That's a lot of work. So our house is completely trashed. We are on day 4, I think, of no power. There's dishes everywhere. There's just candles and boxes of things that we got. There's mess. We literally all ate McDonald's last night because it's the only thing open in our entire town that had warm food. So, yeah.
It jammed, but like at football last night, it went like this. Like when we got the touchdown, I did this.
Yeah.
And my finger went like this.
And you probably bent it back. So we have our light. It is 9:30 in the morning, and I've got the candles lit. But like I showed you, our house is just totally trashed and just stuff everywhere. The kids did such a good job cleaning their rooms this morning. I am going to get all of the stuff taken off the dining room table because I just can't deal with it anymore. So I need to fill up, yeah, my plants all need water. Look at there. Dry as a bone. Oh, not that one. That one has some water in it, but we'll empty that out and get these going. But, oh, the table. Yuck. So with not much light and not much of anything else, it's going to be kind of hard to see. But I figured where it was daylight, I could at least get started on this cleaning video and get started cleaning my house. So I usually have like so many videos filmed and ready to go, and I have 3 filmed but not edited because we've been out of power for 4 days. So I'm so behind on all of my videos. So that is a bummer, but I will catch up. But I've got 1 basket of laundry to fold that was from like over last week that we forgot was in the dryer. So I've got to fold that, and that will give us a little bit of laundry. But other than that, we have no laundry. There's probably 7 or 8 loads of laundry that we are going to need to do when the power gets back on. Yes, Austin?
Yeah.
Nothing? So, with that being said, let's get cleaning. Our fridge and freezer, everything is gross. So I'm gonna take a trash barrel and empty everything in here. We already threw out a bunch of stuff, but we gotta throw out everything else that's in here, except like the applesauce and the chocolate sauce and stuff like that probably, but everything else is trash. Austin's eating a Skittle at 9:30. We are surviving, not thriving over here.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna let
found the cause of stinkiness. Broccoli juice. And we had a bag of broccoli that was rapidly defrosting.
Wait, is that juice?
It's just from the broccoli, yeah. I never use paper towels, but this is a job for paper towels. Oh. A whole bag of food. So sad. But we are starting completely over from fresh. So I guess good time to clean everything and deep clean it and go from there.
We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Back to my channel. This is day 2 of cleaning. We had no power for like 4.5 days, and so we have major cleaning up and catching up to do, catching up on laundry, catching up on just cleaning and all of that. We were outside taking care of our fence that broke. We had trees uprooted. We had our pool was a mess. It still is a mess, but like everything got in the pool. There's nothing really we can do about it now. We had tons of branches, all sorts of stuff. We had a crazy storm go through Massachusetts, so we are just playing catch up. So I showed you guys, I deep cleaned the refrigerator. I showed you just kind of the mess, and I mainly took all that time yesterday to deep clean the refrigerator. So now I'm going to make some pasta sauce because today is Halloween, so I want to get some pasta going so we can have a nice warm dinner before we head out to trick-or-treating. So I figured I would share my pasta sauce recipe. I'm not making it like homemade per se. I'm just doing some of this grass-fed organic beef and a few jars of sauce. And I did have onions in the freezer, but I lost all of my veggies and all the stuff that was in the freezer. And I need to do all of my clocks because they're all different times and they're all like blinking at me and driving me crazy. So first things first, I'm gonna get this pasta sauce started, and then we will get to cleaning and all of the laundry. The kids are cleaning their rooms because you already did. As you saw, they cleaned them yesterday, but then, you know, 5 minutes and there's like a tornado and they're back to being a mess. So I'm gonna make dinner and then we will get cleaning.
Holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I
So the meat is all browned and cooked up nicely. It's mainly fat-free, so I'm just gonna leave that little bit of liquid that's in there. And then I'm just gonna add this jar of Bertolli olive oil and garlic. And then I add a little red pepper flake, some Italian seasonings, some onion, minced onion, since I don't have any fresh onion, which I normally would have onions and all of that in there. And then just some salt and black pepper.
It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good.
Now we're in my bedroom and we're gonna make the bed, and then I have 2 massive loads of laundry to fold. So it's gonna take me a while, and I have a 3rd load already in the dryer. So it will be so good to get all of this laundry done and put away. It is crazy when you do a load of laundry every day and you can't do it for 5 days, how much laundry accumulates. It's out of control. So let's get this bed made and laundry going and done. Let's get it done.
I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart, no text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making
right, that is it for this cleaning video. I have so much cleaning motivation, and I have tons of Christmas stuff coming up for you guys. I'm gonna be decorating. I have what I got my kids for Christmas. That is coming up very shortly as well. So if you guys are new, I would love for you to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.